Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by removing loose debris and protecting adjacent trim. This avoids spreading residue. Use 70-99% isopropyl alcohol on a microfiber cloth and wipe each small panel systematically, which dissolves oily plasticizers. Once done, dry the surface thoroughly with a clean cloth and let it air for several minutes. This prevents moisture trapping. Make sure to check a hidden corner for color change or softness before proceeding. That quick test tells you how aggressive the material is and guides the next step. Now you remove the remaining oily layer and stabilize the texture so coatings will stick. Apply a solvent-safe degreaser and gently blot to lift bleeding plasticizers instead of smearing them. Once the surface looks cleaner, neutralize with a damp microfiber and let it dry fully. After drying, lightly dust 0.5 teaspoon talc or cosmetic powder per square foot to absorb lingering oils and restore tactile feel. Press the powder in with a lint-free cloth, then brush away excess. This gives a uniform base for final treatment. Finish by applying a thin coat of vinyl protectant or a matte spray sealer designed for dashboards. Spray into a cloth, then wipe to avoid overapplication. Allow the finish to cure 24 to 48 hours at moderate temperature. Keep the car shaded and low humidity to prevent reactivation of plasticizers. If tackiness reappears after curing, repeat the degrease and powder steps once more. If the pad remains soft or deformed, replacement of the dash pad is the reliable long-term fix. There's no safe shortcut once structural breakdown has occurred.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.